Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we compare products so you don't have to waste your precious time or hard-earned money. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones with two fierce competitors, the DEERC D20 mini drone and the Holy Stone HS430. Let's see which one will soar to the top and which one will crash and burn. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes everyone's heart skip a beat: the price. The DEERC D20 comes in at $69. That's right, folks, less than the cost of a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS430 is priced at $77. Just a few bucks more, but hey, that could be the difference between a latte and a plain old coffee. So if you're pinching pennies, the DEERC D20 takes the lead. But let's see if those extra dollars for the Holy Stone give you more bang for your buck. Next, let's talk about the cameras. The DEERC D20 boasts a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. Not bad, right? But hold your horses, because the Holy Stone HS430 comes blazing in. That's right, folks, more pixels than your ex's excuses. So if you're looking to capture your neighbor's cat in all its high-definition glory, the Holy Stone HS430 is the clear winner here. Now on to flight time. The DEERC D20 offers up to 20 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable batteries. Not too shabby, right? But wait for it, the Holy Stone HS430 flies in with nearly half an hour of flight time. That's right, you could watch an entire episode of your favorite sitcom while this baby's still in the air. So, the Holy Stone HS430 takes the cake for those who want to stay airborne longer. Let's get to the fun stuff. Features. The DEERC D20 has 3D flips, waypoints fly, voice control, and gesture selfies. It's like a circus in the sky, but the Holy Stone HS430 is not backing down, bringing high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, and even more voice and gesture controls. Plus, it's got a gravity sensor mode and can be thrown to start. Talk about throwing caution to the wind. If you're looking for a drone that can do everything except make you breakfast, the Holy Stone HS430 is your guy. But the DEERC D20 is still a solid contender for those who like their fun served with a side of simplicity. Safety first, folks. The DEERC D20 comes with low-power alarms, emergency stop, and propeller guards. It's like the overprotective parent of drones. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS430 also has low battery alerts, emergency stop, and overvoltage protection. Plus, it's got headless mode and a 3-speed switch to keep you out of trouble. Both drones are pretty safe, but the Holy Stone HS430 has a slight edge with its extra safety features. So if you're known for crashing into things, you might want to go with the Holy Stone. Based on online reviews, the DEERC D20 mini drone is praised for being an excellent entry-level drone, particularly for beginners. Reviewers appreciate its durability, ease of use, and budget-friendly price. However, it is noted that it struggles in windy conditions. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS430 is highly recommended for its camera quality, power, and stability. Reviewers also mention its ease of use and value for money, though some note that its stability could be improved in varying light conditions. So there you have it, folks. The DEERC D20 is a fantastic choice if you're on a budget and want a simple, fun drone. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for extra features, better camera quality, and longer flight time, the Holy Stone HS430 is your go-to. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.